Oh, I bet you $10 that person goes to the school zone. Okay, we're gonna see this guy who ran from the right lane, went from the right lane to the left lane on a left turn. Let's see if that person even brakes when they hit the school zone. And they had to brake because the person in front of them braked. That person is not going school zone. That person is not going 20. This person coming up is not going 20 because I'm going 20. Okay, so I'm going to get this person's license plate. This person's license plate number is LYN9516 in the left lane. I know for a fact because if they weren't stopped by that light, they would have been speeding even worse. Person's not gonna go 20, is they? Are they? That person on the other side of the road is not going 20. Maybe this person is gonna be a smarty. Okay, maybe they're going about 25. That person on the left is definitely not going school zone.